Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can literally in a couple of seconds to delete a group on Facebook. That is, you have your group, you are the creator, and you want to delete this group. How do you do it? Everything is very simple. For this, you will need to click on the menu button before that you go to the application. Facebook, then click the menu. After that, select the item, group. Now here you have your groups. Here you have at the top or you will have here will be written your groups. That is, select here, here's this item. If you don't have it, you click here, and you will have your group. Now you open this group, you find it. Now to delete it, we click on the button. Manage, now here we go down to the bottom, and we have the item. Delete group, we click. Delete. So that's how it all works. Now refresh the page and our group disappears. And now it's not in Facebook. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.